If you want to connect YouTube to a Facebook page in Zapier, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can build the connection quickly and start automating your workflow. This is a great way to save time if you want to trigger actions from YouTube and send them to Facebook pages without doing everything manually. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the main Zapier page, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you start building a new automation. After that, select Zap Workflows because that's the option you need to create a new Zap from scratch. Now, you'll see the workflow editor. The next step is to choose your trigger. Click on Trigger, since this is the event that starts the automation. In the app search bar, type YouTube and select it from the results. Once YouTube is selected, you'll be asked to choose a trigger event. You can pick any available event that fits your workflow. After that, log into your YouTube account and give Zapier the permission it needs to connect. When the account is connected, you're ready to move on. Next, click on Action. This is the step that tells Zapier what to do after the YouTube trigger happens. In the app search bar, type Facebook pages and select it. Then click on Choose an event and select any action that matches your goal. Depending on what you want to automate, this could be posting content, creating an update, or another Facebook pages action. Once again, log into your Facebook account and connect it to Zapier. After both apps are connected, review your setup carefully. Make sure your YouTube trigger is correct and that your Facebook pages action is set the way you want it. This is a good moment to double check your account connections, because if anything is wrong here, your automation may not run properly later. When everything looks good, click. Build it at the top to continue. Zapier will prepare the workflow and show you the final setup screen. Now run a test by clicking Test Run. This is important because it helps you confirm that the automation is working before you publish it. If the test works successfully, then you know the connection is ready. Finally, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Once published, Zapier will automatically handle the connection between YouTube and your Facebook page based on the rules you set, and that's it. You've connected YouTube to Facebook page in Zapier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.